This video guides you in disassembling the motor sensor board assembly. This procedure is the same for both the hygienic and the industrial pumps. Be sure to have the following required tools before starting. Perform the steps to prepare the equipment for repair as described in the manual. To begin, make sure power is disconnected. If you haven't already, disassemble the check valves and diaphragms. Refer to the check valve disassembly video and the applicable diaphragm disassembly video for instructions. Remove the fastener and air side plate with pin, if applicable. Remove the fasteners from the sensor side stator cap. Carefully remove the sensor side stator cap from the stator housing. Remove the fasteners from the motor sensor. Disconnect the motor sensor cable from the motor sensor. Remove the motor sensor from the stator housing. Clean and inspect parts for wear or damage. Replace as necessary. Before reassembling, verify system power is disconnected. Ensure all surfaces are clean. Apply dielectric grease to the connector. Connect the motor sensor cable to the motor sensor. Align the motor sensor on the stator housing and install the fasteners into the motor sensor. Do not over-tighten. Inspect gasket for damage. Replace if necessary. Carefully install the sensor side stator cap. Align the pin in the stator cap with the pinhole on the stator housing and gently insert the stator cap. Ensure the stator cap is properly set in place. Install the fasteners with medium strength thread locker and tighten to torque specified in the manual. Install the air side plate with pin and fasteners if applicable. Follow the diaphragm reassembly video that applies to your style of diaphragm.